Hello guys, my name is Luciano and today I'm here from my hotel room to share with you guys some things about the new Zeomic technology from LaVivid, the antimicrobial system. I've been wearing the system for 4 months. So I'm here in the hotel getting dressed to work, and I was like, let me talk about the system and explain what is my experience during these 4 months. What I noticed? Did I notice something different? Did I feel different? Did I really think this is a good deal for you guys? Is really does this technology really works? So first of all, I don't want to extend the video too much and I don't want to hold you guys for too long, but definitely, yes, the system is incredible. The system works. The technology antimicrobial definitely helps a lot. Now I want to explain you guys why I'm saying this. So I'm getting dressed. I want to explain and I want to share with you guys at the same time my routine. So as you guys can see, I'm getting dressed to work. Every day when I go work, my hair has to be perfect. My hair has to be wet and brushed. And I told you guys many times, I need the system that lasts long as possible, that works perfect. And at this situation, the antimicrobial, it's something that I have to say helped me a lot about less maintenance. Why? Because usually when you wear a system, depends if you sweat too much or you sweat less, or you have like you work out every day or you have to go out every day, you start sweating. When you start sweating, your system technically you can have the maintenance every 2 weeks, maybe. But if you do a routine like mine, every week or a week and a half, you usually have to clean your system because it starts smelling. The glue start melting. All the interior here start not smelling bad, but it's not smelling good as well. But the biggest concern I had was about itching. And with the antimicrobial, I didn't. For 4 months, I can say, I can tell you guys, every 2 weeks, around 2 weeks, I was doing maintenance. I am doing maintenance for 2 weeks, every 2 weeks, and doesn't itch. Sometimes when I feel that the system is itching, it's not the system that is itching. Sometimes depends if I wear like glue, and the glue sometimes itch like exactly where the glue is, but it's like 1 point here, 1 point here, and that's it. Usually when I didn't have the antimicrobial system, the whole system itch. Like here, I never put glue in here. So here start itching so much, so much, so much. And that was terrible because I'm a flight attendant. I'm in front of 200 people in the aircraft sometimes, and I can itch myself. I feel like, oh my God, that is killing me. And I can't because it's like, it's not nice to be like itching in front of 200 people. So about the antimicrobial system from LaVivid, I just have to tell you guys, this is a incredible technology that is going to help everybody that wears a system. You have this technology in PU. For me, like PU is the biggest problem because the PU when is like the plastic doesn't let you breathe, and when you have antimicrobial in there, you're not gonna itch, you're not going to smell that much, and this it's incredible. I'm being honest. I could say like, oh, didn't work that well and blah blah blah. I definitely could. I was always honest with you guys, and I always said like, oh, this didn't work the way I thought, or this is not for me, maybe for another person. But definitely the antimicrobial system is for everybody because everybody wants to feel comfortable to wear a system that doesn't itch, that doesn't smell that much. I have some people here that never wear a system before, and I would like to explain to you guys. When you wear a system, it's not because you wear a system it's going to smell. It's not because you wear a system that it's going to be itching. The problem with the PU is a whole plastic. Even if you sweat and stop sweating, start getting a little sweat every day, every time, and that makes a little oil in your head. You know, like your normal, if you don't wash your hair every day after like 4 days. I don't know if you did that before, but it's normal to see people getting like oil hair. That kind of oil is stuck in your head and start smelling and start itching so much. It's not like I'm gonna cross someone and someone's like, ew, it's smelling. It's not like that. But when you take out, you would smell, and that is like, it's weird. So to feel comfortable, to feel clean, to feel better, I hardly recommend you guys to have the antimicrobial system technology, because that helped me as a person that works, as a person that has to be ready every day, helped me so much, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna help you guys so much. So yeah, it's basically everything I want to tell you guys. Let me just show here in a better light. This is the system. I'm still getting ready to work. I still have to brush myself better. I don't know if the light here was good enough, but thank you so much, all you guys, for all the support. Thank LaVivid for helping us and help everybody to feel better, to feel more confident, and to feel more clean. And if you guys have any question, or you guys want to ask something or comment something about this system, if you try this system, let us know, because a lot of people come here and say like, oh, let me see the comments to see if they are wearing the same, if they felt the same. If you tried this system before and you feel exactly like I feel, that this definitely changed everything, please let me know, and see you guys next time.